Samsung does not want you to know the secret about the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. And hi, I'm Captain Awesome. This is Geekception. I really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe buttons as it really helps me on this channel. Fun fact, do you know that the FE stands for Fans Edition? Now the phone comes in this box that is made of recycling paper because Samsung is trying to be eco-friendly. On opening it, I see the phone with the specifications. We will come back to that later. Next, I see the SIM card removal tool, manuals that I'm sure you are never going to read, and a USB Type-C cable. As with other Samsung phones, there is no charger in the box. You either have to use the one you have or you buy a separate one. Now holding the phone, and it feels solid and premium. It has both Gorilla Glass on the front and on the back, so it should be pretty strong. On the front of the phone is the 6.4-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display that supports a fast refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This means everything on the screen should look smooth and fluid. I'm looking forward to using the 3 cameras on the S23 FE, especially the main one that is 50 megapixels. It has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 8 megapixel telephoto with optical zoom. And up front it has a 10 megapixel selfie camera. For specs, the S23 FE has 8 gigs of RAM, 128 or 256 gigs of storage, a 4300 mAh battery, optical fingerprint scanner, and it comes in several colors. And there you have it. That is a quick unboxing of the Galaxy S23 FE. Do you want to see how it performs in real life? Well, stay tuned for my next video where I test the battery life, the camera, and gaming performance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss all of those videos that I've promised you. This is Geekception. I'm your Captain of Awesome and I'm from Nigeria with Love.